Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to the pixellab.net. Today I have a follow-up tutorial on the last one where we talked about sticking a texture to clones so that when it rotates, the texture kind of sticks on there. So I found kind of a simple way to add multiple textures to a cube without making it editable, which was the goal, right? So what we did before was we took this texture and we put it on here and made it cubic, right? Well, I just realized that cubic actually kind of puts the texture across the entire cube and wraps it on all sides. So then you can't really add another texture. But if we go ahead and change this from cubic to flat, let's go ahead and hit render here. You'll notice that it's still showing up here, but if we go to the other side of the cubes and hit render, nothing's on there, right? So it's just projecting this image on one side of the cube, which is great because then it opens up the option of having multiple textures on here. So let's go ahead and throw on this yellow guy. And the way that textures work is that the one that's on the farthest to the right is going to be on top. So this one is going to be basically covering the entire cube right now, because when you put it on by default it's going to go to UVW mapping. Let's actually change this to cubic and put it behind the other texture. So this will kind of be wrapping across the entire cube, but this texture, the flat one, will be on top of it. So then if we go ahead and hit render, you see that there's nothing on this side, but if we flip around here, you'll see that we're getting our projected image just on this side, which is fantastic, right? So I went ahead and put a plane effector on here, and you can change the rotation to 180 and add some fall off and just sweep it through here. And that way you can have multiple textures and they'll reveal based on what's behind the cubes, which is great because that's a really cool effect. So I hope that helps out. It's definitely nice to be able to texture the back and the sides a different color than the projected image. Definitely opens up some good possibilities. So have fun with that, and we'll talk again soon. Bye everybody.